In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a Social Security number mismatch e-file reject on TurboTax. Let's dive right in and tackle this common problem with a few straightforward steps. First, you'll want to open up TurboTax Online for the year 2025. This is where you'll be able to access all your personal information and make the necessary corrections. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do so. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. It's a good idea to have your most recent tax documents on hand, just in case you need to cross-reference any information as you proceed. Next, navigate to the My Info section. You can find this option prominently displayed on the left-hand side of your screen. Clicking My Info will take you to a page where all your personal details are stored, including your Social Security number, which is the focus of today's fix. This step is crucial because it's where you'll check for any discrepancies between what TurboTax has and what is accurate. Once you're in the My Info section, you'll want to carefully review the details provided, particularly focusing on your Social Security number or ITIN. If you notice any errors or typos, this is the time to correct them. Click on the Edit feature, which is usually represented by a small pencil icon next to your Social Security number or ITIN. Carefully input the correct information and double-check it to ensure there are no mistakes. A common mistake could be entering a number out of order or a simple error in a digit. After you've made the necessary corrections, don't forget to save your changes. There should be a Save button at the bottom of the page, which ensures that your updated information is securely stored in the system. This step is crucial to prevent any future mismatches or rejections when you attempt to file your taxes. With your information updated, return to the main dashboard. It's a good practice to review the rest of your tax details to ensure everything else is accurate and up to date. Once you're confident that all your information is correct, you can proceed to refile your return. TurboTax provides a guided process for refiling, which should be straightforward now that your information is correct. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully resolve any e-file reject issues due to a Social Security number mismatch. This process not only saves time, but also helps avoid potential complications with your tax return. Remember to always keep your personal information updated to prevent similar issues in the future. That's all for today's guide. Thanks for watching and happy tax filing.